It is day number 4 of our spiritual business vision board challenge. Day number 4 of our spiritual business vision board challenge. And this is an 11-day challenge. I'm Abiola Abrams, by the way, founder of womanifesting.com. And today, day 4 of our spiritual business vision board challenge is all about your soulmate client. So I'm so excited because I actually got some work done on my vision board. And so I'm looking forward to sharing that with you. I have some selenite that I'm holding on to because I am detoxing from a toxic kind of conversation situation. So I'm like, okay, I am back in the present. And for me, selenite helps to aid in my rapid detoxification. Hello, Goddess Adana is in the house. Hello, Goddess Nate is in the house. Hello, Self-Love Brings Happiness. Hello, Black Magic, and I am Shay Star. Hello to all the goddesses on YouTube. Oftentimes, I don't get to see all of you checking in until afterward, but I see you. I see all of your comments afterward, and I love you. So keep it up, keep it up, keep it up, okay? Yay. Hi, Goddess Shanita. Let me tell y'all, this is actually a braided wig. I had bought earlier in the summer all these braided wigs to test them out because I was wanting to do that for Paris because I'm lazy and don't want to sit up in a hot listen. Until you have sat in a hot Harlem hair braiding situation, don't judge me, all right? So I bought all of, thank you for the hearts. Hello, Goddess Aurora. So yes, I bought all of these braided wigs and I was so excited about them and I was going to bring them to Paris. And it's a good thing that I didn't because when we were there was a 108-degree day and I probably would have like ripped it off in the middle of Paris and tossed it up at the Eiffel Tower or something like that. Yes, Goddess Aurora agrees. Yes. Go for the wig. It's instant. We good. But these earrings I'm really excited about. And I felt like they were good for us doing our vision boards because they reminded me of paper dolls. And I bought these from on my birthday from the same woman who gifted me the Michelle Obama art that I showed y'all, I think on day 1 or day 2 of this vision board challenge. And these were some of the earrings that I bought from her. I also bought these from her and a number of other ones. And these are like African Queen earrings that feel to me like paper dolls. So yes, hello, Goddess Nana, yes. So here is I'm gonna give you first, bam, my vision board reveal, then boom, I'm gonna break down again the steps for the vision board and where you should be with yours. So because this vision board, if you are just turning in, is all about your big, hairy, audacious monster goal. That is what makes it different than any other random vision board that you might have had before in the past, or a vision board where you're tipping it out there and it's goals that you know that you can make. I want you to blow your own mind. And so even if somebody else, when they're looking at it, looks like, okay, well, it's a basic vision board, you know the mental, the emotional, the spiritual work that you put in behind it for the reach and the alignment of where you're going with your new visionary vision board. All right. So here it is. It is in progress. There's glue seeping through on the back of this, but it's not glued to this bulletin board. The paper is on the bulletin board and then it's glued. You'll see. Okay, so we're on day 4, so this is going to evolve, but this is my day 4 vision board so far. So I'm going to break it down where we are. This is day number 4 of 11 of our vision board challenge, our visionary spiritual business, big, hairy, audacious goal challenge. So if you have not been working on yours, here is where we are at. So day number 1, Yay. Thank you for the hearts, goddesses. All right. Day number 1 was to figure out what is your big, hairy, audacious goal. And so for me, I'm really excited because my push goal, my stretch goal was a multi-layered goal of my site, womanifesting.com, being a premier empowerment platform with courses and ebooks and resources for women coaches, healers, leaders, spiritual women leaders, which it already is those things, but this is 10x. This is on max, on fleek, turned up all the way with the objective of revenue, of consistent revenue, because one-time revenue is easy, consistent revenue of $100,000 a month. So that was my big, hairy, audacious, speak it in the closet goal. So that's what we're building the vision board on. So get your big, hairy, audacious goal, and then you're going to build this visionary board on that. Okay. So then we talked about what your vision statement is, or your visionary statement. Okay. So the things that I want you to take into account, 3 questions. Well, I'm going to share with you 4 things, but 3 questions for your vision statement. Of course, it has to be future focused, but it must require risk. It cannot be easy, because if it's easy, it's not a stretch, it's not a reach. You're not going to grow. You're not going to take everything to the next level. Okay. And everything, 10xing something doesn't mean that it has to be a financial goal, although it could be. It could be the number of people you're inspiring. So for me, the average price of some of my programs range from $1,000 to $3,000, sometimes $4,000, $5,000, but within a range of that. So with my monthly goal, it really is actually empowering 100 people. If 100 people a month consistently invested in themselves through me, of purchasing something for $1,000 that can empower their lives and take them to the next level, then that is a way to look at it. Okay. So you could look at it as how many people you want to empower, right? I set, like most of you, many of you, I'm sure, 1 million women, but you could say this or something better for the good of all involved. It could be you being, in school and learning a new skill. It doesn't have to be a monetary thing. It could be the impact of you building schools in Kenya. I want to build X amount of schools, which is something that I want to do as well. So think about that. And then it needs to be measurable goals. Oh my goodness, measurable goals. The hardest thing to get out of you beautiful spiritual women, coaches, leaders, and entrepreneurs are measurable goals. We do very well with talking about the esoteric, that we want to change the world. We want to help other people to live their best lives. We want to help other people step into their power, right? We want to help people to get unstuck. We all want those things, but what does that mean? Measurable goals, numbers, okay? Maybe like me, you're not necessarily a numbers person, so it's not the first way that you would think, but that is a part of the stretch. That is a part of the leveling up, okay? And then you got to inspire yourself. You got to blow your own damn mind, like my client Goddess Gail says. Okay, so that was day number, let me just break this down real quick. Day number 1, big, hairy, audacious goal. Day number 2, vision statement. Day number 3 was about who do you need to become in order to have the things that you want to have, do the things you want to do. Because if you keep doing what you've been doing, you're going to keep getting what you've been getting. And so if you want to keep being the same person, that's all good, but you're going to keep getting the same result. So if there is something different that you want, there's something different you got to give. There's a different way that you need to be aligned. There's a different way you got to walk and move and show up in the world. There are also some things that you need to give up. So what do you need to give up? Is it your codependency? Is it your people pleasing? Is it your sleeping in late? Is it your not doing the things that you say you want to do? Is it your procrastination? Is it your perfectionism? What do you need to give up? So meet the new you. That was day number 3. And then today is day number 4, your soulmate client. All right. So on my vision board, I have the new you, the new me, represented by this area. And then I have my soulmate client area represented over here. Okay, and so I'm going to break down for you a little bit of what went into the soulmate client work, which is something that if you've been in any of my programs, is something that we go in depth into. It's what in most programs they call an avatar or ideal client or something like that. But no, we go heart to heart. So for us, it's soulmate client. Just realized I don't have my microphone on. Hope you've been hearing me. Hello, Goddess D. She says for her, it's doing more for others than for herself. Yes. So maybe you need to give yourself permission to be selfish, to step up, to do this. That's why this is such a great assignment, to refresh your vision board or make one if you haven't done previously, because it can feel frivolous. It can feel frivolous to do that. And so you putting in this time so that you are able to dedicate yourself to your vision of what you want to call in your business, hit the share button. You creating a vision is what makes you a visionary. Otherwise, you're just, again, basic. And there's nothing wrong if you want to be basic. Be basic. This just ain't the video for you. All right? I'm talking to people who want big, hairy, audacious goals, who want to take everything to the next level. Thank you for the hearts. Yes, nothing wrong with being basic. Be as basic as you want to be. This is just, again, not the video for you. Because we want more. We want more. We want more. I was gluing these images. I'm blowing air. I got a fan on to try to dry this because I was gluing this together to show you right before we came on air. Okay? No, we're not being basic. We're not being fugazi. No fugazi vision boards. And go back and watch the video from a couple of days ago if you don't know what I'm talking about. Day number 2, no fugazi vision boards. We're taking everything to the next level. Goddess Raquel affirms it. I definitely want more. Yes, yes, that was a chant we had in Paris. We want more. Yes, because women's desires, us being able to say and feel and know that we want more, is so dismissed in our society. So dismissed, so thrown away, so not valued. You feel like something is wrong with you if you're looking around and you're like, okay, this should be making me happy, but it doesn't. But your desire, your wanting to be able to, you're being able to be grateful, being solidly rooted in being grateful for who you are and what you have, and then being like, but I'm being called forward to be more, to do more, to show up in a bigger way. And answering that call is a part of the evolution of the world. Because if everybody was just satisfied with how things were, we wouldn't have new inventions. We wouldn't have new processes. We wouldn't have new anything that help us to grow and to evolve. So for me, I was like, okay, yesterday, with yesterday's process, which was all about the new you, who do you need to become in order to have the things you want to have? Who do you need to become? Right? Who do you need to become? Do you need to be somebody who, like I said, who shows up on time, who shows up differently? So I made a list of, okay, who would be the person that would have that premier site that I am wanting to birth and build. And a lot of it, like I said, is already in progress, but still. So I was like, okay, she would be somebody who is bold and unspoken, somebody who feels comfortable with big, amazing, awesome partnerships, someone who is visible, visibility, be seen, be heard. That's why I have the upcoming Spiritpreneur Be Seen Bootcamp. Somebody who is brave and brazen, someone who is committed, someone who is confident, someone who is consistent, someone who is vulnerable, and someone who is transparent. And so while I am already some of those things and already a work in progress for others of those things, but then there are areas where I need to step up. There are areas where I need to step out. And I realized that a lot of those same traits, you know, the traits that I am saying, okay, this is where I need to step into for my own power to take everything to the next level for me, are the same for my client. And me being able to hold space for my client, my soulmate clients, all 1 million of y'all, to be able to go to the next level. All right. So we will get more into this tomorrow, but I just wanted to just inspire you and tell you, jump on the horn, jump in. The water is fine. Get started. I've been showing this little It was originally made to be a bullet journal, but it will probably end up being like a little portable vision board diary or vision notebook diary. You could do something like this as well, a notebook. It doesn't have to be a board. I don't want you to have excuses of where you're going, or you got to wait till you have the perfect paper or perfect anything. Just jump in, okay? So I want to see some vision boards happening. I want to see some vision boards popping. For people asking where to find the vision board challenge, you can find everything in my Facebook group at imanifestmagic.com. imanifestmagic.com. Also, if you're on my mailing list, you'll get this every day. But if not, head to womanifesting.com/blog and you can catch everything there, all of the good stuff there. Okay? Who is your soulmate client? That is important for today. Think about who is your customer. Sometimes, like I said, they say avatar. So it's a demographic, but also it's a psychographic. What are the things your soulmate client would do and wouldn't do? Would they want to travel? Would they not want to travel? Would they want to invest in coaching or consulting? Would they not? Would they be interested in your content? Would they not? You got to be able to ask those questions, because if you don't, you could be selling water to somebody who doesn't drink water. You could be selling, I don't know, one of those terrible analogies. You could be selling something to people who have no interest, or speaking in your authentic voice to people that are just out of alignment with that, okay? So get very clear, whether you're an author, a speaker, a coach, a consultant, a healer, there is a soulmate client. There is a buyer. There is a person who wants to exchange energy in the form of commerce for whatever it is that you are selling, all right? Okay, good. So I want to see some vision boards. I want to see some magic. Thank you, Lotus B. Meusa. She says, you look amazing, cuz. Yay. Thank you, goddess. This is, I know you will appreciate this. These are mala beads from Bali. All right, goddesses, I want to see your vision boards. Mine is in progress. I'm going to be adding on to it. I wrote my visionary statement up here: be seen, be heard, be a movement. I'm going to go in and write some of my goals physically in here with markers and crayons and start to add on to it. All right. But I'm not doing this for my health. I'm doing this to help you to have a spiritual business vision board that creates a vision for your life. All right. Yay! All right, so I will see you in the next video, goddesses. Be seen, be heard, be a movement. Goddess Shanita, wait. Goddess Shanita says, my soulmate client respects and appreciates my ebb and flow, natural cycles. Beautiful. I love, love, love that. We will get more into that in the next video in this series. Bye. Soulmate client, put it out there. There's somebody who needs what you have.